Building chatbots for your web application or website is all the rage nowadays. In this course, we'll see how to use one of the cutting edge platforms in chatbots. We'll see how we can use Dialogflow. This course has very little theory, it's completely hands on, which is why it's called Hands on Chatbots with Google Dialogflow. In order to keep learning engaging, at the beginning of every video, we'll ask you a question. At the end of this video, you should be able to confidently answer what the two categories of chatbots are and how they are different. If you can't, it might help you to go back and revise the video. 10 years ago, it would have been impossible to believe that any developer of a website or a web app can build a chatbot which will conduct an intelligent conversation in a very normal manner with a human being. But with the advances made in machine learning over the recent years and the development of cutting edge platforms which allow you to harness this machine learning, have made possible these intelligent bots which can conduct intelligent conversations mimicking a human being. Advances made in machine learning allow speech recognition, making it possible to understand words in different languages and in different accents. Machine learning also enables natural language processing, enabling a machine to understand what exactly a human being said. But really, this isn't enough. If you had to write your own machine learning algorithm in order to build your chatbot, then really chatbots would not be as accessible as they are today. The development of these platforms, which abstract away the complex technologies underlying bots, are what make building these bots simple. And one such platform is Google's Dialogflow. Google's Dialogflow was formerly known as API.ai. In fact, it changed very recently, and you'll find that several of the screenshots in this course still reference API.ai. This is an amazing platform with machine learning algorithms powered by Google's technologies and an easy, intuitive, very simple UI allowing you to build sophisticated chatbots. If you're taking this course, you probably already understand why chatbots are needed or where they might be used. We'll cover that anyway briefly. But first, we'll start off by understanding what exactly a chatbot is. It's basically a computer program which is capable of conducting an intelligent conversation. A bot is said to be intelligent if it can simulate human behavior and pass what is called the Turing test. The Turing test was developed by the scientist Alan Turing back in 1950, and it basically says that if you can interact or have a conversation with a bot and be unable to distinguish between a bot's responses and the responses of an actual human being, then that bot has passed the Turing test. Now, this seemed like a big ask back in 1950, but all the chatbot technologies that are available nowadays will help you build bots that pass the Turing test. Let's see some of the simple use cases where you might need a chatbot. Let's say you're on a very complex site. It might be an e commerce site, a matrimonial site, a hookup site, and you have some trouble navigating it. If you've spent enough time on the site and you seem to be aimlessly browsing, you might have noticed that a chat window often pops up and asks you to just ask it questions. Ask it questions about what you're looking for, what is it that you hope to achieve, and so on. This chat is usually powered by a bot. There is no real human behind this chat window. Using the chat window is an easy, natural, and conversational way for you to achieve your objective on that website or web application. Chatbots can also be used to debug or troubleshoot issues. Let's say you've placed an order for a pair of shoes from your favorite e commerce site, but the order hasn't arrived yet and you haven't received status updates. Before chatbots became ubiquitous, what you typically do is to call up the customer support agent on the phone and say that you're looking to track down your order. This proves to be very expensive for the e commerce site because having these thousands of customer support agents and having them on the phone is an expensive setup. If you're in charge of building and running this e commerce site, you might figure that a good way to cut down on costs would be to encourage your customer to use a chat window for his query rather than calling up a customer support agent directly. This chat can be powered by a bot which is capable of asking the right questions in a friendly manner and directing the user to the right place, tracking down the status of his or her order, and in general being helpful. And really, there are many, many examples of how bots can be useful. These are just a few business use cases, but you can have chatbots which help you track down the weather bot. It can help you with your groceries, give you the latest news, help you with your personal finances, and also help you shop. What we spoke about so far was about chatbots in general. Now let's talk about Dialogflow specifically. Dialogflow is Google's offering for you to configure and build chatbots very, very easily and be able to harness Google's underlying machine learning technologies in order to have a natural, intelligent bot which passes the Turing test. Now, chatbots can be divided into two broad categories. The first of these is the rule based chatbot. You can think of rule based chatbots as belonging to the pre machine learning era. These bots would basically look for standard patterns in the user requests, like, oh, did the user mention order status? Maybe I should look through all of the user's previous orders. At the very basic level, you can think of rule based chatbots as working with a bunch of pre programmed rules, a bunch of if then else statements, if you find it easier to imagine it that way. It can't learn or understand new concepts. These bots tend to be static and can change only when they are reprogrammed. Rule based chatbots are a thing of the past. What we work on nowadays are artificial intelligent based chatbots. These are intelligent, they understand what the user is saying via natural language processing. They also learn from previous conversations that users have had, such that a chatbot which has been running for a long time, say for 2 or 3 months, will be more intelligent than the bot which existed at the very beginning. These bots are dynamic, and because they constantly learn from human conversations, they get better over time. Google's Dialogflow is an artificial intelligence based chatbot. There are a variety of modes in which Dialogflow operates. We'll see that in a little bit, but it's primarily driven by machine learning algorithms to learn from data. Let's take a little walk through time and understand how Dialogflow came to be. Back in 2011, a company named SpeakToIt developed an intelligent personal assistant for mobile phones. This personal assistant worked on Windows, Android, as well as iPhone devices. Now, this personal assistant was popular and based on very cutting edge machine learning technologies. And in 2014, Speak to It made it possible for third party developers to use these technologies as well. They released an SDK, or basically the API.ai library, to third party developers. This allowed anyone to plug into the natural language processing and other modules to build conversational apps. Because Speak to Its technology was cool, Google in 2016 realized that Speak to It could be used to power Google Assistant. You might be familiar with this assistant on your phone, which is enabled when you say, OK, Google. This is if you have an Android phone. The API.ai SDKs and libraries are still available for third party developers to use. Now, this is how it continued till very recently, that is October 2017. This is when API.ai was renamed to Dialogflow. This was purely a name change. None of the functionality that API.ai offered was changed. In fact, new functionality is being added at a very fast clip. Now, this name change turned out to be a bit of a bother for us because it happened right when we were recording the demos for this course. So, you'll find within the demos, the UI says API.ai. But when you log in at this date, the UI will say Dialogflow. Don't worry, it's the exact same setup. A few things might have changed because Google is constantly adding new features every 15 days or so, but the underlying core remains the same. Dialogflow is essentially API.ai with a new name. So, what will Dialogflow help us with? It will allow us to build natural, rich conversations using a very intuitive UI. The UI, I must say, is amazing. The UI for Dialogflow is so simple that you just need to use it once before you've mastered it. I've also used Amazon's Alexa UI, and I must say that Dialogflow is generations ahead. We mentioned earlier that Dialogflow is an artificial intelligence based bot which means it uses machine learning to understand what is it that the users are saying. It figures out the intent of the user conversation by using natural language and other machine learning techniques. What sets Dialogflow aside from other chatbot platforms that might exist is that every machine learning model that it builds for an agent that you configure is unique to that individual user's bot. That machine learning model learns from conversations that your users of your website or app have with the bot, resulting in a bot that is tailored for your unique purpose. What are the other capabilities that Dialogflow possesses? It supports 14 plus languages, including French, German, Spanish, etc. You can have the very same bot set up to understand multiple languages if you have users from different countries. You can use 16 different programming languages in order to configure the bot, including Python, C Sharp, Java, JavaScript, all the common ones. Dialogflow offers the same SDKs that API.ai did, which allow you to build bots for your own application, whether it's a mobile application or it's a website. Dialogflow also offers SDKs which work with wearables. So it's Internet of Things enabled. Or if you want to build a chatbot app which integrates with an existing messaging platform like Facebook, Viber, Twilio, Cortana, Alexa, or Slack, there are one click integrations available with all of these platforms. You'll see how easy it is to set up towards the very end of this course. And this is a good time to revisit this question. The two broad categories of chatbots are rule based chatbots and artificial intelligence based chatbots. Rule based chatbots are old school in that you have to pre program the rules which they understand. They look for specific words or patterns within the user expression and then try to give their responses. They are static and do not change over time. They don't learn from user conversations. Artificial intelligence based chatbots use machine learning and natural language processing in order to understand what the user said. They are more intelligent, they are dynamic. The longer you have the chatbot in production, the more intelligent it will get. The Dialogflow platform helps you build AI based chatbots.